Welcome. Today, we're going to learn an important technique in algebra called completing the square. Let's get started. To fully understand this principle, let's look at a few perfect squares. We will begin with x plus 2 square. This means x plus 2 times itself. In expanding, we get x times x times 2, plus 2 times x, plus 2 times 2. After grouping the like terms, we'll have x square plus 4x plus 4. If we expand x plus 3 square, and x plus 4 square in the same way, we'll end up with what you are seeing on the screen. Notice that in each expanded expression, if you divide the x coefficient by 2, and square the result, you end up with the constant. For example, in the first one, 4 divided by 2 is 2. The square of 2 is 4. If you look at the second expression, 6 divided by 2 is 3, square the 3, and you get 9. It's the same for all perfect squares. Let's try some examples. For this expression, all we need to do is divide the x coefficient by 2, and square the result. Now 6 divided by 2 is 3. The square of 3 is 9. So we will add 9 to the expression to get a perfect square. We also need to subtract 9, since we are only rewriting the expression. We are not changing its overall value. Now x square plus 6x plus 9 is x plus 3 square expanded, while negative 9 plus 7 is negative 2. So our solution is x plus 3 square minus 2. Let's try another. Again, all we need to do is divide the x coefficient by 2, and square the result. Now negative 4 divided by 2 is negative 2. The square of negative 2 is positive 4. So we will add 4 to the expression to get a perfect square. We also need to subtract 4, since we are only rewriting the expression. We are not changing its overall value. Now x square minus 4x plus 4 is x minus 2 square expanded, while minus 4 minus 5 is negative 9. So our solution is x minus 2 square minus 9. Now let's try a final one, 3x square plus 2x minus 4. To do this, we first need to factor out 3 from the expression. This is to get the x square coefficient to be 1. We'll now rewrite the expression. To factor 3 from the expression, we put 3 outside the brackets, while inside the brackets, we divide each term in the expression by 3. So inside the brackets we'll have x square plus 2/3 x minus 4/3. To complete the square in the brackets, we divide the x coefficient by 2, or take half the x coefficient, and square the result. Now 1/2 of 2/3 is 1/3. The square of 1/3 is 1/9. So we will add 1/9 to the expression inside the bracket to get a perfect square. We also need to subtract 1/9, so that the value of the expression remains the same. Now x square plus 2/3 x plus 1/9 is x plus 1/3 square expanded, while minus 1/9 minus 4/3 remain. We can now multiply each in the square brackets by the 3 that is outside. So 3 times the perfect square, and 3 times negative 1/9, gives negative 1/3, while 3 times negative 4/3 is negative 4. So our answer is 3 times x plus 1/3 square minus 4 and 1/3, or negative 13/3. Keep practicing, and see you in the next lesson.